You'll be using the discussion board extensively through the class, so I wanted to just briefly go over how you use that and how you respond in the discussion forum. For those who haven't used this tool yet in Blackboard, it's fairly straightforward to use. So again, you go to the discussion board link. You'll see, of course, the title discussion board here, and then I have set up forums. I will be posting information throughout the class in the instructor update forum. That serves as a bit of an announcement page. But also I've set up a questions forum where you can pose questions that come up, whether it relates to assignments or topics we're discussing. And then also I've set up a week 1 check-in, which is as you'll see from the course calendar, what I want you to do on the first day of class. And then I've also set up the discussion questions for that first week. And so of course you'll be looking through those and responding to those. But to respond, it's fairly simple. Let's say you have a question, you select the questions forum, open that, and then I'll move up here. There's no questions posted at this point, but you'll see questions posted there as students do this. Create thread. You will put the question, you can put a subject here, and then type your question in this area, and then go up here, and you could either save it as a draft if you want to work on it later, or submit. If it's saved as a draft, I don't see it until it hits submit, so you'll want to do that. And that's essentially how you respond in discussion forums. Same as I'm going to cancel out of that. Same thing. So if you go to back to the discussion board, select that, and you begin to develop your week 1 check-in. Select that particular subject header, select create thread. In this case, you can put your name as the subject because it's giving us information about you. And then here's the forum description. Help us get to know you by selecting week 1 check-in, which you've already done at this point. Selecting create thread and telling us a little bit about yourself, your academics interest, and your interests outside the classroom. Then you post that information in here. You can type in there, and then of course type down here as well. I'm going to cancel this so I don't enter it. But that's all there is to responding in discussion questions. So you want to get used to that fairly soon. Again, the week 1 welcome check-in is a way for you to get practice in doing that. And then of course, starting on Tuesday, day 2 of the class, you're going to be responding in these discussion questions to specific discussion questions, and that'll occur throughout the next 5 weeks. So if you have questions, let me know, but I look forward to reading your posts in the discussion board.